Here is my new Lakewood box fan. This is my fan. I'm recording this after the last Go box fan. Of course, it's Kmart. They got it at Goodwill. For some reason, this back grate is vertical. Other side. So it's pretty simple box fan here. Let's turn it around. This is like twice the weight of the last Go fan. So that's 77, so it's like from 1977 or 1879. Okay, focus is not gonna work. But anyway, 1979 maybe? I don't know. So we'll start it here on low. And the back grate is vibrating. I'm not sure what this is, but it's very difficult to get it off. Here's medium. And high. This is loud. Spin down. Yeah, it's kind of a fast spin down. It could be oiled. So that's it for this Lakewood box fan. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.